Text, LG phone.
How to adjust the screen brightness on an LG phone.
The home screen dims, then brightens.
Adjustable screen brightness is very useful to ensure comfortable viewing in virtually any lighting condition. The quickest way to adjust the screen brightness on your LG phone is via the notification drop-down quick settings.
A red arrow moves down the center of the screen. A page opens with 6 blue graphics across the top. Below them, a slider with a percentage at the left, auto at the right. Below that, text reads, Start recording. Tap to stop recording. Notification settings.
To do this, tap and hold at the top of the screen and drag your finger down to access the notification panel and quick settings. Below the row of toggle settings at the top, you will see the brightness slider. You can check the auto option at the right and also drag the slider to the desired brightness. If the brightness slider is missing, then expand the quick settings further by tapping and sliding your finger down again. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Press the 3 dots at the top right of the next screen and place a check by brightness. Then tap the check mark at the top right to save. The other way to adjust the screen brightness is to open Settings. Then tap on Display and adjust the brightness slider. You can also enable auto brightness. Some phones will have a brighter display toggle that you can enable to make the screen easier to read in very brightly lit situations. Note that this can cause higher battery drain and potentially cause the phone to get warmer than normal.
Logo and text, LG Life's Good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
The logos for Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.